Good morning. It is Friday, December 22nd. Hopefully you can hear me. 2 days ago, I passed the evaluation for Apex Trader Funding. Now I have the performance account. And yesterday I was trading mostly sim. I did take a couple of very small trades in my performance account just to try to figure out the commissions thing. So I now have NinjaTrader set up to show the P&L, including the commissions. So that'll be cool. And I was able to get back to green yesterday on the sim account as well, after I shut down the very long stream of 2 hours and 8 minutes. So it's just going to update the yesterday's trading situation. There we go. So market is up. There's the there's the sim trading I did yesterday after shutting down the stream. Here's our RTY. Here's our NQ. Let me set up the bot. Let's do it on the sim. Sim. Yeah, I don't want to take any more risk with the funded account. Ahead of the holiday weekend and ahead of my trip next week. Won't be able to trade next week. Won't be able to stream. So if you're new here, quick couple of bullet points about this trading strategy. So I'm always trying to trade with the trend, the longer term trend determined by these outer bands. Red above the black means obviously we're in a downtrend. Black above the blue means we're in an uptrend. So I'm always trying to trade with that overall trend. When we've had a change in direction, we were going up, now we're going down. Before I can take my first trade on this downtrend, it needs to be, oops, and I missed it. That would have been a quick winner.
Order submitted.
See if it'll come back for me.
Order filled.
Okay, so I need for this first reaction from the ribbon for it to be a legitimate trade. So we started trending down. We got a pullback to the ribbon right here and the down close. Each one of these candles is 16 ticks or 4 points tall. Every single candle is 16 ticks tall. So we always know if it closes down, we know where the next candle is going to open. If it closes up, we know where the next candle is going to open. So the fact that we know where the next candle is going to open means that when we get a down close like this, we got the pullback to the ribbon and a down close, we know where that next candle is going to open right there. And I was a tick off with my limit order, but I was a little bit late to the party there, and I used a limit order to get short. And then for my NQ trading, I use a 30 tick stop and a 30 tick target. And for the most part, I try to just let the trade play out come what may. A a lot of times if it comes within 2 or 3 ticks of my target, I will then move my stop to break even plus maybe 4 ticks or 8 ticks just to lock in. There we go.
Target filled.
Okay. So, okay, cool. So now the Ninja Trader P&L is displaying the profit, including the commissions. So with a trader funding, the commission is $3.98, basically $4 per trade. So it's $1.99 for each trade in and out, or round trip, as they say. Now we did make a fresh low, but it wasn't much lower from that. Also, it really struggled to get down there. So I'm skipping this trade setup. This should still be set to sim trading. Yes. Sim, sim, sim all around. So we have an uptrend on the RTY. I just need a pullback. With the RTY, the strategy is only to take trades from the ribbon. With the NQ, there's some other trades that I will take based off this indicator going to the overbought or the oversold. But with the RTY, I have a few friends that are trading the RTY with a lot of success, and what they have been doing is strictly taking the ribbon bounces, regardless of what the indicator down here has done. I was too slow on that.
Order filled.
Okay, it still hasn't gone the full 20 ticks. So with the RTY, we're using a 10 tick stop.
Filled.
Okay, and a 20 tick target on the RTY.
Order submitted.
So we've started to change trend again on the NQ, starting to head back up. So this is a valid trade setup to the long side.
Order filled. Order submitted.
I'm going to go potentially going short on the RTY and
Order
long
filled.
on the NQ at the same time. Interesting. I could actually do this.
Target filled.
Okay. I could actually do this in the funded account because I can trade up to 4 contracts in my funded account. Yeah. So far, really not impressed, and don't seem to be having a good time with the RTY. I don't know if I'm just happening to trade on a bad example. Market is moving really quickly.
Order submitted.
Another entry setup, another pullback to the ribbon on the NQ. Definitely has demonstrated a desire to trend up. So let's see if we get an entry.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Let's try the RTY again.
Order filled.
65. Once it goes to 67, I can't take this trade anymore. Yeah. I missed that one.
Order
That's probably
target filled.
it's probably going to be the one that works, but we got the green trade on the NQ. Yeah. Dang, that would have been good. Oh well.
Order submitted. Order filled.
This will be the
Stop
one.
filled.
Gosh dang it. Man, I just can't seem to win on the RTY. Cannot seem to catch a winner. I missed that one. That was an easy winner. I don't think this really qualifies. Maybe it does, but we were still trending up or pretty much flat at that point. So definitely not an established downtrend. Indicators still on top of each other right there. And now it's just going sideways. So nothing doing there. Oh my gosh, that was a quick move. Market is moving really fast for the Friday before a holiday weekend. Pretty crazy. Oh, did I just miss that?
Order submitted.
I missed it. Maybe not. Maybe not. Come back and get me? Question mark.
Order filled.
Come on, let me get a winner on the RTY. How about it? How about it? How about it? Let's go.
Target filled.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. That's pretty gratifying. And it's good the way, we're trading a 2-to-1 risk reward, reward to risk. So 20, I just missed a winner, or I just missed an entry. Okay, never mind. It would have been a loser. It would have been a red trade. Yeah, but the Friday before a holiday weekend, holy moly, this is moving much faster than I expected. It's very quick price action.
Order submitted.
So here we have a strong uptrend on the NQ. And so with the NQ, well, not that crazy strong, but I don't care about the ribbon at this point. We've already had a couple of good ribbon bounces, even though I won't complain if it comes back to the ribbon and then bounces. But we had the oversold. We had the indicator down here to the oversold level. So that sets up a valid trade. You can learn this trading strategy from Michael at mytradingiq.com. I do have a link in the description below. I don't have any affiliation with them. I don't get any money for people going
Order
to
canceled.
that site and signing up to learn this trading strategy. But that is an option if you're interested in learning to trade like this, and getting your hands on these proprietary indicators. You can go that route. Tell them Brandon sent you. Michael's been doing this for 11 years. He has a Google spreadsheet with his results going back for 11 years. Profitable results, wildly profitable results. So very good strategy. This kind of trading strategy This isn't really available to the big institutional traders. I guarantee you there's no institutional traders sitting and watching a Ninja Trader screen like this, trading this exact sort of a strategy. This is a an edge that's available only to retail traders like you and me. So I really like that. It's not easy. It's definitely not an easy thing to do mentally, emotionally.
Order submitted. Order filled.
2 winners in a row. Can we get 2 winners on the RTY, please? Shoot on down there. Go on. Shoot on down. No. Yes. Come on. If I can get to plus 18 ticks, yeah, it's going to stop me out, pretty sure.
Stop filled.
Son of bitch. I was going to say, if I can get to plus 18 ticks on the trade on RTY, then I move the stop to break even, as per the strategy that my few friends are using. Looks like it's going to be one of those trades where it came back just enough to stop us out and then goes straight to target. Those are always frustrating. I sort of imagined that any decent price action on the day would be had in the early morning, the first 30 minutes, the first 60 minutes, because it's Friday before a holiday weekend. Monday is Christmas. So definitely seems like things are kind of slowing down. We're only 19 minutes into the New York session. Thankfully, I closed my shorts, my triple Q puts. I closed that out yesterday. Didn't get a very good exit. I could have gotten a lot more. So left some money on the table there for sure. But I'm so glad I got out of those puts yesterday as opposed to waiting around for today. Those puts are sucking pretty bad this morning. And I did actually buy one call option on the SPY. Just because I thought the market looked bullish. I mean, I thought it continued to look bullish. It's been bullish for a long time.
Order submitted.
RTY definitely having a clear downtrend here, but at the same time, the NQ is making new
Order
highs.
filled.
So this is a bit odd. We're just going to go with the strategy. See what we get.
Stop filled.
Loser, of course.
Order submitted.
So here we have a pullback with the indicator going oversold. So that sets up a valid trade entry.
Order filled.
Literally buying at the all-time high, lifetime all-time high. But that's the thing about a trend. It usually keeps going, keeps going higher than you think it's going to. It's a valid trade setup, so we take it and see what happens. Maybe we're not at all-time highs right now. Let me look at something here because we had that huge pullback the other day. Okay. We're not even at Wednesday's high yet, which is the all-time high. If you watch Michael trade from mytradingiq.com, he's going to end up using a 20 tick stop. I've been using a 30 tick stop. That's what my friend recommended. And it's what seems to work best. But there's all sorts of options when it comes to how you manage your trade. How far away is your stop? 20 ticks, 30 ticks, 40 ticks. How far away is your target? Whether or not you trail, how you trail your stop, if and when the trade goes your way. And so what Michael does, he would have been stopped out already on this trade.
Stop filled.
As I get stopped out at the 20 ticks. It's just a matter of your personal preference. There's no right way or wrong way. Now, this is a valid entry right here, but since I've already taken this trade, I need the market to now make a higher high. So there's only one trade per swing, let's say. No, I don't want that. Where's my... Here it is. So pretty decent trading. Wow, yeah. One winner, two winners, three winners. Three winners and one loser. Three greens, one red on the NQ so far. So we're only down because of losses on RTY. I think I will try the short here if we can get back to the ribbon. Didn't quite make it. That was right there, wasn't it?
Order submitted.
Look at the RTY dumping.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh, did I just trade into the news? Was there news at 10? Shoot. Shame on me. Revised, whatever that is, consumer sentiment. Well, okay. I missed a good trade on the RTY right there.
Order submitted.
And I missed a trade on the NQ. Darn it. Yeah, that would have been a winner.
Order canceled.
See this pullback right here? That was the entry. Shoot. Gotta be quick on this, man. Gotta be quick. This candle right here, when that closed up, that's when I should have hit my sell button to get the bot to get me in right there. And I just completely missed this over here. Excuse me. I wasn't even looking.
Order submit. Order filled.
Wow, that's some bad slippage.
Stop filled.
And another loser on the RTY because, of course,
Order submitted. Order filled.
perfect setup. That doesn't mean it's going to be a green trade, but this is definitely a downtrend. It's a fresh low. It's a pullback to the ribbon. Just rejected from there. So we did everything right here in terms of the actual strategy, and the edge executed perfectly. Didn't even get any slippage. But it doesn't mean it's going to be a green trade.
Stop filled.
It just means that the bears are too weak. Now we have a lot of momentum to the upside because I was not the only trader that was trapped to the short side there. So I'm going to be a
Order
little extra
submitted.
aggressive right here.
Order filled. Target filled.
Yeah, I had a lot of conviction on that trade. This was I've seen this sort of thing play out many times where for the most part it's a strong uptrend, right? And then it sort of looks like, oh, okay, we have a strong downtrend now, like out of nowhere.
Order submitted.
And so a lot of traders, myself included, get
Order
tricked
canceled.
into taking a trend trade to the downside. I need to step away from my desk for a moment. So let me just mute this out. I'll be right back. All right, back. This price action sucks. No trend here. That's kind of what I expected. Looks like that would have been profitable trade. Well, at least it's getting there.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Man,
Stop filled.
screw you, RTY. Man, that was a legit setup. Fresh low, pull back to the ribbon, down close. But no. I'm going to stop trading the RTY. Just going to drag this window over. Screw that, man. It's just, shit is not working. I cannot seem to get green trades on the RTY. So I'm done with it.
Order submitted. Order filled.
With price action like this, it's very tempting to trade a different way, where essentially you're trying to figure out where the highs are and where the lows are, and maybe just try to sell the highs and buy the lows, trade the range. I do that sometimes, to be perfectly honest, but it ends up being, I don't know, it's difficult, and it can be tremendously frustrating sometimes. You know, you can sell the highs, but then Murphy's Law means that you're going to sell the high when it's no longer the high, and it goes higher, stops you out. Same thing with the lows. So it's better if I just stick to the trending markets, which I realize I'm trading an uptrend here that's not really a strongly trending market. I mean, the bulls are doing better than the bears today for sure. But yeah, this is a crappy setup.
Stop filled.
And that's what I get for trading a crappy setup. It's Friday before a holiday weekend. The price action is atrocious. It was actually moving pretty well, but very, very quickly earlier. We had a great run on the NQ, 3 wins, 1 loss. We had nothing but losses on the RTY, I think. Maybe I got 1 winner. Yeah, I guess I got 1 winner on the RTY, but mostly losses on the RTY. And now we're into super boring price action. So I'm going to wrap it up there. Obviously, very, very glad that I'm trading on Sim and not yet trading in my funded account. I'm going to leave that for the next year, 2024. I will start trading my funded account on a regular basis and trying to accumulate some profits there and make a withdrawal. So that's going to do it. Yeah, there's no point. There's no point in trading this price action. It's garbage. There's no clear trend, and it's very likely to continue like this for the rest of the day. Friday before a holiday. So that'll do it. I will see you guys next year. Have a wonderful holiday and a happy new year. Thanks for watching.